I bet you have no clue what has been going on here in our local metal scene in 2025. Well, today's your lucky day. I basically summed up everything. EPs, albums, singles, whatever you want that got released in 2025 is on this list. So have fun and definitely check out all the artists mentioned and check out what else we have to offer here in our small but very heavy country. Have fun, guys.
you to stay. I can't get enough. I think I'm slowly falling in love. I want you to stay. I can't get enough. I think I'm slowly falling in love. How have you been? How have you been since I saw you crying on the street? Crying on the street, cleaning up your wounds with those perfect shiny tears. I see you lurking over time. A shiver down my spine. In the dark I have found my light. It tears apart what you left behind. Echoing voices that call my name. I feel the flame in the void I claim. Chasing the cosmos in empty space. What's so insane how you talk inside the side? Not by forgotten as fast as you come. When did you become so lazy, so comfortable? Into the spiral of addiction, where life will sabotage your vision. It's in plain sight. Gotta feel the same as I did last night. Mind altering, a magical thing. Live on your knees. Denial, your salvation can contain your need. Don't you write to me, don't you write to me. Don't you write to me, don't you write to me. I'm fucking done with this.